selfie around the campfire. Wheeny Creek camping area. There's the fire. Just a small one for tonight. I want to be able to see the stars if this cloud clears up. It's a little overcast, but not too bad. Look, it's quite a nice campsite. The creek's right there, so basically just over that way. Yeah, they've locked off all the car access, so you can't get in here and camp right next to your vehicle. So I've taken one of the parking spots up there, and I'll just test out my new camping gear that I got for Father's Day, and then duck off first thing tomorrow. Got a quick and dirty bowl of Nutrigrain that I'll have in the morning, and get out of here. No reception down here, obviously. We're down at the bottom of the cliff. You can't really see, but up behind the car it's all rock cliffs, and I mean obviously that side as well. Off Conleroy Road, which I'm curious to see where it goes out the other end, but I've just been told by a couple of four-wheel drivers that no, it doesn't go anywhere. So anyway, yeah, quite peaceful. Bit of bird song. Sound of the creek is very strong at the moment. But yeah, nice dry night, hopefully clear night, see some stars, and then get out of here.